Hey guys, welcome to a new episode of the Needscreen food review series. So, Reggie Miyamoto, leader of Sega of America, put this ball on my ankle, but he didn't even lock the darn thing. What an idiot. So, I gotta check the mini fridge, see what's in it. I gotta review food if I ever want to leave this boiler room. So today I'm going to be reviewing an ice cream cone. It's not like a sugar cone, so it's just kind of like made out of wafer, like an unsweetened wafer. So let's just go in for it, you know. If you can hear my corporate overlords talking about making a new Sonic game. We're gonna make a new Sonic game, guys. I can hear it on the other side, like the boiler room's like connected to the conference room. It's really crazy. I'll wash this down with some water. Can I leave now? I don't like it in here. Look, I'm serious right now. Like, it's awful. There's a rat. He bit my toe yesterday. It's infected. I'm going to die if I don't get out of here soon. I'm requesting help. Police, please, come save me, please. Look, this room is so small. I don't know how I'm living in here. It's got like a bucket of like garbage, right, of like pee water right there, and like right behind me. That's the rest of the room. It's so. How am I supposed to shoot in here? They're like, so 2 vacuum cleaners. There's a vacuum cleaner right there. And that one. That one. Please. Let me out. Let me out!
We won't let you out until you review 6 food! How much do you have done yet?
Do the Cape Cod chips count?
No.
So 1.
Alright, that's a good start.
You see, this was a good investment. I
Yeah,
told
I
you,
agree.
Jerry.
Yes,
this was a good investment.
Good PR.
Good PR.
Farewell, review 5
I'm
more
gonna kill
food.
myself. I'm gonna stick my head in the rat's nest.